When pendulum shears cut steel billets, timing and temperature must be perfectly aligned. If billets are too cold, you put your equipment at risk. If too hot, the material can deform, compromising product quality. We aim to put an end to inconsistencies at this stage of the process. Our solution combines rugged thermal imaging hardware with powerful real-time analysis. Using specialized infrared cameras, positioned behind the shear line and safely protected in cooling housings, each billet is tracked in real time. Our inspector software, optimized for high-speed thermal analysis, visualizes data through individual profiles, providing live threshold monitoring and immediate alarms. True excellence lies in a smart strategy. With preventive monitoring, we help our customers increase productivity. Reduce scrap and secure your equipment today. Find this and more solutions at Selmatech.